This is a video by Richmond. Today we are replacing an automotive battery using these two components right here. This unit right here is a Schumacher PC6 and it's a power converter. It converts household 110 AC voltage to 12 volts DC. And over here we have a unit that plugs into the OBD2 connector on the automobile, and it will plug into this piece right here and supply that connector with 12 volt voltage, so when we remove the battery we do not lose our presets on the radio and the information stored in the computer. Alright, let's change the battery now. The power inverter is plugged in. I can see the green light is on. So we have voltage there. We're going to take our OBD2 power connector here and plug it in. Now we're going to connect it to the OBD2 port right here. And when we do that, the red light on this unit should glow. And so now we can replace the battery. Alright, we're ready to remove the battery. Start with the negative cable. Now remember, this positive, even after we remove it, it's going to be live. Alright, now we can remove our battery and replace it with the new one. For the negative. All right. New battery's all in, and just to show you that all the presets and the computer are intact, we're going to go directly over there without any editing. We're going to remove the power. We're going to get the scan tool. Hook that up, turn the key on. Now we're going to do a scan. And there's all our the IM monitors. Everything is intact. If they weren't, they'd be grayed out where they say misfire O2 sensor. And this light down here wouldn't be green, it'd be yellow or red. Now we can come over here, double check our radio. Look at that, Clock still hasn't lost its time. If we go over here to the presets, look at that. They are all there. Yep. So we never lost any presets in the radio or memory in the computer. So that's all there is to replacing your battery without losing your presets of your radio and your memory in your computer.